Hello, my name is Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury ScreenRail system. In this opening, we're going to install a kick panel system. The kick panel is available in 4, 6, and 8-foot openings, and they're all 13 3/4 inches tall to match the kick panel on the screen door. The kick panel kit consists of 2 verticals and 2 horizontals and a kick panel, and hardware to install the 1 horizontal. So what we have done here is we've taken the bottom horizontal and we've screwed it to the deck, put the cover on. We have the 2 verticals screwed to the aluminum extrusions, and we're going to snap the verticals in place. Now we're ready to take the kick panel, which we have cut down for this specific opening, and we're going to slide it in the slots in the kick panel covers, in the verticals for the kick panel. We're ready to install the last extrusion, the top extrusion across the kick panel. We're going to take the hardware. I have the 1 installed already. Put it inside here. Going to drop it into place. This of course has been cut in place for this specific opening, and we are now inside the slot on that as well. We're ready to install this. This is going to install with 2 screws on either end. What I like to do is get one end firmly seated, hold it in place with my thumb, and install. This concludes the installation of the custom-sized kick panel system for the Westbury ScreenRail. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.